Hello and welcome. I've got to show you this Kabe motorhome built in Sweden. It's the Imperial i930QB. It's top of the line for what's here anyway. That's the price. That's a 2 followed by an 8 followed by a 1 followed by an 8, a 6 and a 0. This thing here is 932 centimeters long. You're going to find it quite difficult to park, but I think that was just common sense. Really nice seating group there, bed above, we've got storage around there, lots of storage in the kitchen, and they've got a sink here, 2 burners, a gas and an electric hob as well. I'm going to show you this. There's the drawers, nice looking, and down here as well, bins there, and here we've got a pull-out pantry. On the other side we will find a wardrobe. There's supposed to be a wardrobe, should be a bar up there somewhere, but never mind, they might put one in later. And here we'll find fridge, freezer and grill. Come to the back. Now this here is a dressing room. Now the problem with this to a large extent is the I think the colours make it seem smaller than it is, but this is the way Kabe do things, and this is what's probably expected in the Swedish market. Now if you get an Italian, French market, you get things in white, and which I think for me is something I actually prefer. But anyway, as far as the dressing room is concerned, we can just close these here. I'm going to let the lady speak, and I'm just going to show it to you, okay?
Wir wünschen Ihnen einen informativen Besuch sowie einen angenehmen und erfolgreichen Messetag. Good morning, dear exhibitors and visitors. Welcome to the 7th day of Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. We wish you an informative visit as well as a successful and pleasant day at the fair. Bonjour, chers exposants et visiteurs. Bienvenue au 7e jour du Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. Nous vous souhaitons une visite informative et une bonne journée pour une succès à la voie. Buongiorno cari espositori e visitatori, benvenuti al 7° giorno del Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. Vi auguriamo una visita informativa ed un piacevole giorno pieno di successo alla fiera. Guten Morgen, beste Exposanten und Besucher. Heute seid ein heute segnender Tag und der Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. Wir wünschen Ihnen einen informativen Besuch ebenfalls in Anteilnahme an successful Bürstner.
So I'd rather than speak over, I let the lady speak. Right, so you see they've got wardrobes on the other side. We've got storage at along the top. Nice headboard, nice spotlights, nice big windows. You'll probably appreciate them if you're in the forest somewhere in Sweden. Not you get a vehicle this side down many forest roads. I do a little bit of forest driving myself, and I can tell you in my vehicle, which is 3 meters shorter almost, I have enough problems with that. Got aircon up here. I don't like the shower. I like the fact this shower extends around there. I like that, but what I don't like is the fact it's only got one drainage point, even if it is in the center, even if the water is contoured towards it. I'd rather have a domestic plug in there, sorry, a drainage point in there as well. Now let's come out of here and see what else I can tell you. On the whole, it is, I mean, it's a very attractive vehicle, and if you're going to get something like this, you're getting this because you like the style, you like the dark colors. That's what this is offering. Made in Sweden. Sweden's a pretty expensive place, so it's expensive van. It does have this induction charger there. There's also charging points at the back at the bed. USB-C, normally USB-A. You've got 12 volt. You've got 230 at the bed. You've got you've got plugs in other places as well. So from that point of view, it's possibly sufficient. But then again, I think there's often the case there's never enough plugs. There's also under floor heating from Alde here in this vehicle, and you know, this is designed for very cold climates. So it's a style, and one gets what one wants. It does say there it's got a new 32-inch television, which is to be it's located in that there between the kitchen and the seating group. Television you can watch from the driver's seats or the seat which is immediately to the right. Okay, Kabe Travel Master Imperial i930QB, top of the Kabe range. Thanks for watching.